Hi, this is Janet Walker, besttokeeitsimple.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create your first blog post in Blogger. So we're in the settings and we have the option where we've got a new blog if you want to create a new blog, but we don't. We've created the blog that we wanted to in the last video, so now we want to create a new post. So we click on this like a pen icon and we're going to click that, and we're going to create our first post. So it's talking about Google Plus, so we'll just click off that now. What you have your post, and we've got post title. So here is where you're going to put your heading, and then you've got publish, save, preview and close. Close means close the window down. Preview means have a look at it to see how it looks before you click publish, and save is to save as you are working so you don't lose any information. And we have these icons here like compose, HTML. A lot of these you should kind of already know, either from say Word or your email, and they are consistent across the board. So it's the bold text, italic text, underline text, straight through text, change text color. If you want to add a link, if you want to add a picture, a lot of them will explain what they actually do and spelling check. So to create our first post, we will simply click in post and we'll write our title. So we'll put our title is "This is my first blog post," and then obviously in this section you would write what you want to do. So we'll write "This is my first blog post on my new blog. I am very excited to get started and to share my business and personal information with those who want to read. So I've made a few mistakes, as you can see, because they are underlined in red. So all you have to do is put your cursor over the word, right click, and it should tell you exactly the spellings. But again, if you're not too sure or you just want to check the whole document, you can click this icon here, which it says check spelling, and it will do exactly the same thing. So we've done that now. Now over here to your right hand side we have post settings, and we have labels. Labels is another name for your tags. So your keywords, words that you want to be found for your blog post, would go into here. So in this one, for example, we would probably put first blog post, and for every keyword, for every label you want to put in, separate it with a comma. The next one we can put in is new post. That's enough for this one, and we click done. And then we've got schedule, which is something that you should be aware of and get used to using, so you can work more productively. And basically what it is automatic means if we clicked publish now, the post would go live on the blog. If we click set date and time, a calendar appears and you decide when you want the post to appear live online, which is ideal because what you'll be able to do is write a couple of posts, and then if you schedule it one every week or whatever schedule that you've designed for your business, then that means you know that you don't have to touch your blog. Your post will automatically be posted when the scheduled date arrives. But for this example, we will just go with automatic. Location, now you want to put on a map where you are, you can, so I can put on there UK, and I'll click done. Now we've got options. So if you want readers to comment, so if you want people to come to your blog and read your information and leave a comment, you will click allow. If you don't want them to be able to do that, you would click don't allow. Just leave that as default, which is show HTML literally. And line breaks, press enter for line breaks. That will allow you, it's a lot easier than having to put the code in if you're not too sure with the code. And after you've done that, you can press OK, and then we're all done. So what we have done so far is we have created our first blog post title, our first blog post information, put in our labels, which is also known as tags. You can schedule it, but we're going to publish straight away, and that's about it. We will save. All it's done is save your post as a draft. Try and make it a habit that when you are writing in Blogger, save very, very often. So now we've done that, what we can do, we'll click preview. By clicking preview, it will open your post page in a new tab, and it will show you what it's going to look like. The title of our first post, which is this is my first blog post, and the information that we've wrote in. It's got posted by obviously me, Janet Walker, and the time, and then that's it. So I'm happy with that. So at the bottom of here we've got publish or preview. I usually go back to the back end of Blogger and click publish, and there we are published. Now it asks you if you want to share it to Google Plus. You can if you want to, if you've already set that up, but for now we are not going to go there. And there we have it. So what we're going to do now, we're going to click view blog, and by viewing the blog we will going to see how the blog now looks, which we should have seen anyway in the preview. And here it is. Here is the final picture of what it will look like. At the moment we have like icons like these ones for edit. You only see those while you are actually logged in to blogger.com. Once you log out and go and view this page again, these icons won't be there. And that's the end of how to create your first blog post on Blogger. Have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.